Hello everyone. Here is our ceiling fan generator. I will open it up and show you what's inside. As you can see, this is the rotor. This is the rotor, and we have put some magnets in this rotor. And these magnets are kept in such a way that one is south and the adjacent one is north. So adjacent magnets are of different poles, and this is winding of a ceiling fan. This is actually a running coil. Starting coil is removed. So the wires are thin and the number of turns are more, so we get higher voltage, but the amps is less out of this. Okay, I will put it back and then I will continue. Okay friends, so we will continue from here. This is our ceiling fan generator, and this is a AC to DC converter. It converts AC voltage to 12 volt DC, and this is a fan motor. Okay, let's see how it works. I am holding the fan motor in my hand. You can see the speed at which the fan is rotating. Okay, we will connect a bulb and see how it works. Okay, I will change to a 0 watt bulb. Okay guys, I have not used a multimeter or ammeter to show you the voltage and amperes. We will see that in the next video.